Okay, so now we're gonna continue with the middleware, and we're gonna go right here to our server or here in our incorporated terminal and just npm run server like that. And okay, it's running in port 5000, so let's send it and let's see. Okay, please fill in the text field. Okay, because here we are in the body and here we have uncheck it, so if we check it right now and send it, okay, we have some bugs, but now we're gonna uncheck it and now we're gonna be dealing with middleware. Okay, so we're gonna override this default message that we are receiving, and we are gonna create our middleware. So to do that, we can go to the by controller, and let me see what we are gonna do right here is, okay, so we have if request that body result, that's fine, that's we have the four yeah, we have this JSON. We're gonna get rid of this JSON and we're gonna go right here and we're gonna throw, so we're gonna throw new error, so we're gonna throw new error and single quotes, we're gonna have just please add a text field like that. So that's what we are gonna do. Let me see. Okay, we can save it now. If we go into Postman and we send it, so it's unchecked, make sure you are in the URL encoded, and this one is unchecked, so we have this key text and the value my first byte, we send it, and we have this BAT request, but we have this HTML type that we have here. So what we do now is we can just leave it like that for now, and we are gonna create our middleware. Okay, so to do that, let me see real quick. We are gonna go into controllers, routes, okay, into the backend, and we are gonna have a new folder, so it's gonna be middleware like that, middleware like that. And inside this folder we are gonna have a file, so it's gonna be named error middleware. So we can go right here in a file, we're gonna call it error, and it's gonna be middleware like that, just like that, and the extension is gonna be JavaScript. Okay, so error middleware.js. And let me see, so we're gonna override the default express response. So to do that, we're gonna create a function, and it's gonna be error handler. So this is gonna be an error handler like that, and we are gonna set it. Okay, so we're gonna do it like this with an error function, and here we are gonna have the error object. Okay, you can check it out here, the error object. We are also gonna have the request, okay, the request, the response, and next. Okay, so here we're gonna open curly braces, and now we're gonna have a new function. So we're gonna have the status, so status, let me see, status code, and we're gonna be setting it to the response. Okay, so here we're gonna use a ternary operator, so we're gonna have the response that status code, okay, res that status code. And when we use the ternary, we use the question mark, and here we use the colon. So I mean, yeah, colon like that. And here what we are gonna do is we're gonna set it to the let me see, it's in post. Yeah, we can leave it in 5. Let me see. So we have the 400 bar request. Okay, so we have this function status quote response that is status quote with res that is status quote, or the that is gonna be this bat request, but it's gonna be 500. Okay. Also, we're gonna have the res that is status quote, and here we're just gonna pass in the status quote like that. So we can go, oops, yeah, let me see. So we're gonna have the status quote right here. Outside that, we are gonna have a JSON. So request, res that JSON like that. And we are gonna open curly braces, and here we're gonna have a message. So it's gonna be a message. Let me see, let me go outside, message, and we are gonna use the air object, and this air object is gonna have a message like that. Yeah, we have that, and also we are gonna have a stack, just stack colon, and we are gonna have in the process.env, the process.env that, and we're gonna have in the node underscore env. So we're using this one right now. As you can see, it's in development. So equal, so 3 equal sign single quotes, we are gonna set it here to production. Okay, and okay, so I miss a comma here, and let me see, production. Okay, and also we're gonna use the ternary null, and then we are gonna have in the air object and the stack like that. Let me see. So now we have this JSON so far, and yeah, okay, so it's in production. When it's in production, we are just gonna receive just a stack. We're not gonna receive the whole information. So here we're just gonna export it, so module that exports, and we are gonna export this function. So it's gonna be the error handler like that. Let me see. Okay, so we already have it right here, and now we can go into our server. Okay, so we're gonna go into our server, and below the .env we are gonna have this constant, and here we are gonna pick in the error. So I don't have it right here. Let me see. So we can do it like this. We're gonna require it. So let me see, require, and okay, open parentheses, single quotes, and now it's gonna be from middleware. Okay, middleware, and it's gonna be error middleware. So yeah, like that. And now let me see if it does it for me, error handler. So now it's fine. Okay, so below that we are gonna go right here, and we're gonna have the app that it's gonna be app.use, and yeah, we are just gonna use the error handler like that. So error handler, save it.